Drones are the next big thing, and they are taking over in hundreds of industries across the globe. From commercial videography to aerial inspections, real estate, agriculture, maintenance, surveillance, landscaping, and hundreds of other industries, drones are changing the way the world does business. Now you can take advantage of this growing opportunity when you become a professional drone pilot. Even the FAA called being a drone pilot your dream job of the future, and the demand for drone pilots will only continue to increase. Get ahead of the boom and train today to become a professional drone pilot. Professional drone pilot courses are now available from professional flight instructors in the SkyEye network right here in your city. You will spend a full day learning and flying with one of our professionally trained flight instructors, and once you've completed your class, you will receive your drone operator's ID card. Don't wait. Class sizes are small and limited. Call today to register for the upcoming drone pilot training class.